Today, we're going to start talking about determining importance. And what this means is that when we read nonfiction, we can't possibly remember every fact that we would read. So we have to decide what are the important things and what are the interesting things. To make this easy to start off with, we're going to talk about pizza. If I'm making a pizza, there are important things that I must have in order to make my pizza. The first thing I need when making my pizza is the crust. The crust is important because if I don't have crust, I won't have anything to put all of my toppings on. The next thing I have to do when I make a pizza is add my sauce. That's another important thing when I'm making a pizza. The last thing I have to have when I'm making a pizza is cheese. In order for me to have a full, real pizza, we have to have these three things: crust, sauce, and cheese. With these three things, we've created a pizza. Without the sauce, we just have a cheesy bread. Without cheese, we just have crust with sauce. So these are the three important things if we want to have a pizza. Now, all of these other things, like peppers, mushrooms, pepperoni, these are all interesting things. These are the things that make our pizza enjoyable to eat. They're the things that make the pizza a little more delicious or a little more tasty. But if I don't have pepperoni or mushrooms or peppers on top, I still have a pizza. So when we think about reading nonfiction, we have to decide what are the important things. What are the things in 2 months, 3 months, a year we need to remember about that topic? If I'm going to the grocery store, I have to remember to get crust, sauce, and cheese if I'm having a pizza dinner. But the interesting things when we read are the things that might blow our mind or the things we think are really cool. But in that 2 months, 3 months, a year, we probably won't remember those things, or they aren't the things that we need to remember about the topic. If I go to the grocery store and have my crust, my sauce, my cheese, but I forget pepperoni, I can still make pizza at home. So, again, important things are the things we should remember long term about that topic. They're the most important things that someone should know or teach about a topic. Where the interesting things are the extra information. They make it fun to read, they make it interesting to read, but they aren't the things that we have to always remember.